What's up mga chong? Ngayon, nandito ako sa aking nirerentahan na garage. Yan. It's a parking space ng isang resort. Okay. Because may mga kwento ako sa inyo. Meron akong i-report at may tatanong din ako sa inyo. Okay? I hope matulungan nyo ako dun sa huling-huli kasi medyo importante yon, right? Okay, simulan natin dun sa kwento. Yung bahay namin sa Laguna, we just vacated it for some reason. Hindi na natin di-discuss kasi personal na mga bagay yon. Although, in the coming months, pag natapos yung pinagagawa naming bahay sa Silang, Cavite, that's very near Tagaytay, I will be based there. Siguro i-cover natin as I build the garage dun sa bahay na titira namin doon, right? For now, ito muna, garage space, resort parking lot siya. Ako pa lang ang nag-iisang customer dito. I don't think magkakaroon ako ng kapitbahay na kotse anytime soon. Because alam nyo naman, lockdown, hindi makapag-operate yung may-ari. Buti nga ang bait-bait niya, tinulungan niya ako, pwede ako mag-park dito. So, isa sa mga ikukwento ko, nag-shooting na kami ulit. Actually, 2 nights kagabi, tsaka the other night, nag-shoot na kami. Which leads me to the kwento na isa pa. Lockdown, alam nyo naman, halos 4 months yan, hindi ko nagagamit tong van. So, it's been inactive for quite some time, right? And it could be a problem lalo pagka talagang hindi mo na sa-start yung kotse. Your tires would deflate. Kung minalas-malas ka pa, nakabilad lang sa araw, ganyan. Also, yung air conditioning pagka binuksan mo on some cars, medyo bumabaho. Pag minalas-malas ka rin, aamagin yung mga loob pagka may naiwan kang moist. Yung mga ganyan ba. And one thing na I think na hit ako, other than the deflating tires, the battery. Okay? Nandito ako ngayon sa garage para maglinis ng sasakyan. At para din i-check kung ano nangyari sa battery. Nung umalis ako dito, nung 2 gabing shooting namin, start ko naman yung sasakyan, but I felt something weird na parang medyo kulang sa cranking power. Although, 1 click pa rin siya. Then, syempre, habang nag-shoot, finifilm ko rin yung series natin na parating. Okay, yun yung i-announce ko meron tayong series. It's called the Used Car Buying Tips. Okay? Habang finifilm ko yun, syempre gumagamit ako dito ng electric fan, right? Let me show you that. This is it. This is the big ass electric fan that I was using. Ginamit ko to ng medyo hindi advisable yung pagkakagamit ko sa kanya. Nakapatay ang makina ko. So the alternator is not working. It's not bringing back charge to the battery. I used it for around 2 hours. Tapos may mga naka-charge din ako ditong power bank. So I think that's the culprit, the inactivity plus may mga electronics na nakakabit dito habang hindi naka-on yung makina, right? So what did we do to start it? I wish I filmed it pero sobrang dilim kasi dun sa location namin Sinubukan ko namang i-film pero talagang basura yung mga footage. Alam nyo naman, cellphone lang ang gamit ko pag nag-shoot. It's an iPhone 7 Plus. Hindi siya ganun kaganda sa dilim, right? So, ayun, feeling ko na lowbat nito yung battery. And I'm here to clean the van and to see if it would start. Kasi when we started it, eto, good practice naman to pag nalowbat ka. Iiwanan mo lang yung sasakyan na hindi ka nag-aircon, walang electronics na naka-plug, hindi ka naka-headlight, just running, idling, ganyan. Better pa nga kung umiikot-ikot ka. I left it on dun sa shoot for around 1 hour. Yun. I'm here to check and I brought you with me to see if I would have to buy a battery. Ngayon, yung prefer kong battery sana kung papalitan ko to is the Amaron brand, right? Why do I want the Amaron? Nagkaroon kami ng Pajero before, yung Volkswagen New Beetle and yung Civic FD. Nung nasira yung mga battery nun, due to age, syempre ganyan naman ang battery pag tumatanda, hindi na siya nag-work as good as nung bago siya, right? So, nung nasira yung mga battery ng mga naging sasakyan namin yun, Amaron ang pinalit namin and it lasted for a really long time. So, pasado sa akin yung battery life ng Amaron and it's virtually maintenance free as it advertises. So ngayon, bago natin i-start, bago natin tignan kung buhay ba ang battery niya, just wanna ask you guys, right? Because I mentioned early in the video, may tanong ako sa inyo, right? If anybody of you knows anong size ng Amaron battery ang kukunin ko, please let me know in the comment section, right? Because tingin ko kung sa Motolite siya, 2SM siya eh. I just don't know the battery code for Amaron. I don't know any shop na, especially around here sa Parañaque, I don't know any shop na nagbebenta ng Amaron or reputable seller. Malayo naman kung dun sa Laguna, hindi ako makauwi dun kasi nga lockdown, right? So, yun lang, yung mga question ko sa inyo. If you know where to get, if you know the battery code for NISSAN NV350 Premium, please let me know in the comment section. I would pretty much appreciate it. Kukuha tayo niyan kung sakaling talagang dead na tong battery na to. In the meantime, let's go ahead and try to start this van, right? Okay. Kung napansin nyo, no, may cover yung cambio ko. Cause I don't want it to soak in the heat too much. Pati ito, yan, may takip tayo dyan kahit paano. So, this is it, pansit. I hope it cranks up. Hear that? Medyo mahina. Medyo jahe yun, chong. I guess I'll leave the van idling for a few minutes, maybe an hour habang nililinis ko siya. And let's see. Let me know kung saan ako makakabili ng Amaron, mga chong. I guess I'll end this video for now as I clean the van, okay? Medyo mainit, napawisan ako. Please watch out for the used car series, okay? It's coming up next week. Just happened that this thing came up, kaya medyo naudlot na naman ako dun sa used car series na yun. Pero yeah, it's coming up next week. See you soon, mga chong. As usual, you drive safe. This has been your Garage King. Ciao. Hindi nakabukas makina nun ha, pero naka-electric pan ako. Matagal, mga 2 oras.